வெல்கம் டு தயா கெமிஸ்ட்ரி யூடியூப் சேனல். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம்னா எஜுகேஷனல் சைக்காலஜி 500 கொஷின்ஸ் ஃபார் பிஜிடிஆர்பி. எஜுகேஷன் சைக்காலஜி. ஃபஸ்ட்டு கொஷின் நம்பர் 1, which education is not made compulsory by world countries? Answer is pre-primary education. Second one, what is the age limit for giving the pre-primary education in India? Answer is 2.5 to 5 years. Third one, to provide, what is the aim of pre-primary education? To provide the social experience to children. Fourth, where is Montessori school situated in Chennai? It is Kalyanam Higher Secondary School, Chindadirpet. Question number 5, the apex body that conducts research of teacher education is? Answer NCTE. Webster's individual test batteries has 11 tests. Adulthood represents 20 to 50 years. For how many children there is a body teacher and an assistant serves in a pre-primary school in India? Is 1500. ICDS was started in which year? It is 1978. Name of first country to start the pre-preliminary education? It is England. Kindergarten school was generalized by whom? It is Kinner. Learning is the process in which the learning proceeds lifelong. Education through playing was generalized by whom? By Goldwell Cook. Which Indian constitutional act describes the provision of free compulsory education to all? It is Article 45. Question number 15. To avoid the waste and stagnation in schools, up to which standard the non-retention method was followed? Was up to 5th standard. If a child does not concentrate in study, then what should do the teacher? He should be expelled from school. He should encourage by examples of good child. He should be sent psychiatrist. He should be asked to do homework. The answer is he should be encouraged by examples of good child. What percentage was spent to primary education with respect to total education expenditure? Is 48.5%. Physical and mental changes are high in the dash period, in the adolescence period. இளமை பருவம். Area limit of a primary school in a place is dash kilometer. It is 2 kilometer. Name the university opened specially for upliftment of women's education. It is Mother Teresa University. Educational committees advised to open which type of school in India? It is common school system. For using leisure period in class, teacher should give some activity. The states which does not implement the pattern of 10th plus 2 and plus 3 education system is Mizoram and Meghalaya. UNESCO awarded the Kirubuskaya Award to Tamil Nadu for which type of education? It is higher education. The primary aim of primary education is resonance growth. Vocational system of education is adopted in which stage of our education? It is secondary education stage. The basic instrument which is useful for the socio-economic growth of the nation is education. It is important that the pattern of what can be changed as part session education plan. How should the student be taught the science subject? Is practicals are being done by the student. When was National Literacy Mission started in India? It is in 1978. Non-formal education was implemented in the year 1978. Primary responsibility for the students' adjustment lies with the students. Basic reason for becoming bad student is bad environment. The rules of the classroom should be established by the headmaster. The education which got the aid from UNICEF is CAP education. Achieves of 2-year non-formal education are awarded with certificates. Actual center of non-formal education is situations. Learning episodes of higher education in higher secondary schools came into force in the year of 1978. The education useful for those of dropouts from schools and not turned down to schools for learning is social education. Rural literacy campaign was firstly started in which state? It is Maharashtra. Which type of campaign started in 1959 to eradicate the illiteracy of the people? It is rural literacy campaign. For how many days the rural literacy campaign was inhibited in every villages? For 4 months. From which to which year the rural literacy campaign was actively participated in Indian village? It is 1961 to 1963. When was polyvalent adult education started? It's 1967. Where was polyvalent education started? Firstly, in Mumbai. When was Yuva Kendra started? In the year 1973. How should children be taught? They should teach language by play method. Age group which was given education under National Adult Education Program was 15 to 35. What is the projected year of 100 million literacy to youth's National Adult Education Program? Is 2004. How many million was the aim of functional literacy program up to the year 1990? Is 30 million year. If a child does not present in the class, then the teacher will try to know the reasons of absence. To enhance the listening capacity in children, teacher should explain the importance of listening. Who organizes the National Adult Education Scheme? Is Directorate of Human Resource Development. Teachers who believe that learning is the process of discovery should organize their teaching work according to the theories of Piaget and Montessori. As per Piaget's observation, a children's orientation towards other people proceeds from egocentrism to sociocentrism. Learning is primarily produced by a child's environment. There are the observation of gang. A child speaking vocabulary at the age of 7 will be 10,000 words. Child's susceptibility to fear increases when he lacks self-confidence. Intelligence is the ability to carry out abstract thinking. This definition was given by Terman. A child's ability to adapt with the pupil is distinguished as social intelligence. Who defined personality as the balance between socially approved traits? It is Rexroth. The child gets the first idea of right and wrong from teachers, from parents, not teachers. The word psychology has originated from the word psycho and logos. A teacher with a poor leadership quality will not be able to maintain discipline. Behavior pattern of the student is influenced by atmosphere in the school. An individual is normally termed mentally retarded if his mental quotient is below 70%. Learning by doing is the basic of basic education. Which one of the following can you consider as an inappropriate behavior in class? Disrespect towards teacher. Which of the following you consider as most effective for learning? Is hearing and observation. Which one of the following is the most valid expectation for teaching? Is clear goals. Which of the following is most potentially required for effective teaching? Is deep knowledge of the subject. Which one of the following is most appropriate to designate teaching? Is noble profession. What is the role of a teacher in school? Is all the above. Academic, leadership, social, all the above. A sour grapes attitude is an example of prejudice. As a teacher, what development do you expect from a child in the class? Emotional, intellectual, social, all the above. Answer is all the above. Which one of the following do you consider as the first step in teaching? Is motivation. Which one of the following resource materials will you prefer for your subject teaching in school? Is teaching aids. As a teacher, what activities do you suggest for developing service attitude among the children? NSS. What teacher-pupil ratio do you suggest in school? 1:20. 1 teacher, 20 student. Total quality education was the term coined by Deming. People who does not receive functional literacy, forward caste. Moving average is calculated by using maximum. Root mean square deviation is also called as mean. Ministry responsible for the training of farmers in India is agriculture. Ministry responsible for the functional literacy program is education. Output estimate of farmers training and functional literacy program was 2.5 lakhs. Where was the farmers training and functional literacy program implemented? In Tamil Nadu, in Coimbatore. Learning is stagnant by experience. How many farmers functional literacy centers were opened under the farmers training and functional literacy program throughout India? Is 5,000. Industrial revolution started in which country during 19th century? Is in England. Where was multi-phased adult education alias functional literacy program started in 1967? Is in Mumbai. An educational institution can become a member of internet accessibility at VSNL. General and polytechnic education is being taught in how many years of school education in Russia? 8 years. Which committee emphasized the importance of vocational education in India? Kothari Committee. In which year All Indian Vocational Educational Council was established? In 1945. Teachers are taught learning principles and teaching theories in order to make which stage of teaching management a success? Is second stage. Name the block which is not useful for providing education to all. It is educational block. Logic of induction is very close to logic of sampling. In which year Engineering Exports Committee was established? 1951. When was Apprenticeship Act enacted? It is 1962. Which of the following conditions must be fulfilled for proper adjustment in the environment? Physical fitness and health, free from psychological disease, social acceptability of the person. All of this is the correct answer. Next question. From which or onwards the students were admitted for vocational education from 1966? 15. Subject which in being taught in the higher technical institution but not in the technical syllabus is economical study. Logic of induction is very close to logic of sampling. 105. When was a national meal program was introduced in Tamil Nadu by Chief Minister MGR? It is 1975. What was the age group of children for the Chief Minister's National Meal Program? Is 2 to 14 years. Is 2 to 14 years. The extension days of new admissions to avoid the stagnation and wasting of Indian school education are 2 months. If responses are reinforced, learning rate is faster. Special attention to be given to which class of children in the school? First class. School can be inspected and supervised for how many times in a year? 2 and 1. The lower age limit to continue the education in the Open University is 16. How the education is being taught to the students of Open University? Through postal. Which type of education scheme is followed in Open University? Is modern education. Education used to continue the studies of village backward class, family, women and dropout is Open University. The education can be provided to a person who does not acquire the higher education within a certain age is higher education. In which year the new education policy emphasized the educational quality increase in India is 1986. The schools which were opened all over the country to increase the knowledge and to improve the quality of education of villages of India way is Navodaya school, who had first introduced the delinking degrees from job in 1974 is Kidwal. The selection of really interested and knowledgeable person to a job results in work efficiency. Plus 2 students can be selected and trained for IAS, IPS post is if possible. Who told this? Is L.K. Jha. Multi-purpose vocational school were developed under the guidance of which committee? Is Mudaliar committee. From which year onwards the vocational education were taught in the higher assigned schools in Tamil Nadu? Is 1978 to 1979. The shifting of medical engineering, science, industrial scientists from their countries to foreign countries due to their self-development is known as brain drain. அது இங்கே படிச்சுட்டு தமிழ்நாட்டில் படிச்சுட்டு வெளிநாட்டில் போயிட்டு வேலை செய்கிறது, இதுக்கு பேர் பிரைன் ட்ரைன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. நேம் த இன்கம் ஆஃப் த மணி இன்வெஸ்டட் இன் எஜுகேஷன் பை இந்தியன் கவர்மெண்ட் is service of the professional. Position of not having sufficient money or property or basic necessity is known as poverty, ஏழ்மை. All of the following are the characters of reflective level of teaching except motor activity is required to solve the problem. First 100% literated district of Tamil Nadu is Pudukottai. In order to know the understanding level of pupil, a teacher conducts standard test in class, goes through anecdotal record of pupils, asks several questions in the class, all of the above. Everything teachers should do. The first international organization which provides the financial assistance for children's welfare plan or is UNICEF. Father of modern education. Who is the father of modern education? Pestalozzi. Who was the true follower of Aristotle in belief of faculty theory of mind? Is Descartes and Rousseau. Both A and B is the correct answer. Which one of the following subjects give you information about human value and human development is natural science. Who among the following equated language and thought as inseparable as language completely determining through thought in a hypothesis known as Weltang's Chum view of life hypothesis? It was coined by Humboldt. Which one of the following is considered as an extracurricular activity? Is games. Basic reading materials for school children is textbook. Mother tongue is the best medium of instruction for the school children studying in higher secondary class, primary class, secondary class, all of the above. 137. Question number: the education given to the children of age 3 to 5 is known as pre-primary education. How can give the right proper knowledge to the student? It is by teaching in interesting way. Two language formulate is successfully practiced in Tamil Nadu. New educational policy during the period of late Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi was formulated in the year 1986. In Tamil Nadu, the recently established university is Periyar University. Students will take interest in teaching when teachers tell them that it is necessary for learning. Purpose of introducing SUPW is to develop vocational skills suited to life. Answer B is correct. Teachers' Day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Radhakrishnan. Success of a student in school life depends upon teacher-parent cooperation. A student with high intelligence is not doing well at studies. What is the best course of action for the teacher to find out reason for his underachievement? The education given for job-oriented course in school is called arts and craft education. If you are the teacher, what type of curriculum will you recommend for your children in school? Activity based. Inclusion of lesson on national leaders in school curriculum is to promote national integration. Evaluation should be done by continuously. Achievement test should be used primarily to help the pupil to evaluate learning. Purpose of introducing uniform for the children in school is for creating equality feeling. Social interrelation involves all of the above. Adjustment, cooperation, opposition, all of the above. The organization which is founded for the development of education throughout the world is UNESCO. What should be the common behavior of the teacher in the class? A kind behavior. The most essential skill that is required for a teacher is skill of using aids. John Dave's experimental school was called as activity school. Progressive education movement in USA was a direct outcome of pragmatic. Teacher should himself be or sample before students. Which of the following teachers will you like most? A teacher of who often amazes his students. If a teacher has a established credibility in evaluating consumer scripts, she must be objective. The term instrumentalism educational philosophy means the same as pragmatism. We will meet in the next video, part 2, educational psychology. Thank you.